We'll guide you through how to use Time Tracker in ClickUp. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. Open the list within the space that you want to use before continuing. To use time tracking, make sure the time track field has already been enabled in your list. If the field is not enabled, click the plus icon on the right side of the field to add a new field. Search for time tracked and enable the field from the available field options. Once the field has been added successfully, close the field panel and return to your list. To use time tracking, click the time track field for the task that you want to track. Enter the amount of time according to your needs, for example, 1H for 1 hour, making sure the entered value accurately reflects the amount of time you want to record for the selected task. If you want to set the tracking date, click the Date section and choose the appropriate date. Next, click the Start Time section and select the time according to your needs so the recorded entry matches your work schedule. Once you have finished configuring the settings, click Save to record the time entry for the selected task. To start tracking time automatically, click the play button in the Time Tracked field. You have now successfully started the timer. When you have finished working on the task or want to pause the recorded time, click the Stop button in the same field. The timer will stop immediately, and the recorded time will be saved to the task automatically. If you want to review all of your track time entries, click the Track Time icon at the top of the page to open the Time Tracking panel, where all recorded time entries are displayed in one place. The Time Tracking panel will open, allowing you to view all of your track time entries, manage your recorded time, and monitor your tracked hours in one central location.